Hey, hello, I've got a new diorama, box diorama from the brand Moreart. Here it is, and it is in a 1/64 scale. Here we have the back, freeze the frame if you want to read it. It is still wrapped in the package. Definitely not my first box diorama from Moreart. I've got many more. Just posted a short video about a couple of them. They are so cool. And they come already out of the box. Whoop. There we go. I think this one is named Grassland View. Not 100% sure. There is nothing on the box that says which one it is. Love Create in China. Let's see. No. Ah, there it is. Mountain Road Scene. That is the name of the diorama. I knew it had to be somewhere. Okay, let's take it out of his box. Then you see it comes in a nice display case, and we have a nice diorama view here in the back, which is not some piece of paper, but it is a piece of plastic, so it is really strong. I'll show it from the side. Here it is, and you see some green, some bushes, nice background, and some road where you can put a car on it. Let's see, we do the camera a little bit lower, place a little bit more to the diorama, and then we take a car. How many cars fit on this diorama? 2 cars. Let's take the Golf. One of my favorite castings that I got in the last couple of months. Very well detailed. Did a review about it on my YouTube channel. Do I have some figures? Yeah, I do have a figure right here. I got this one from Moreart. Here it is. And I can place it here on the barrier. Pretty cool, right? Well, you got the idea. Here I've got 2 more box dioramas, also from the brand Moreart. Did a review about this one. I think I did also a review about this one. This is a limited edition. It comes with a car with a driver inside. Ah, sun is shining. Do you like that, Godzilla? Yes, you do. Well, I do. Well, actually, Godzilla is not liking the sunlight because it's not good for this right here. So what I do is, so that's much better. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, I've got one right here. So somebody is fishing here. The only thing I put inside is the car. It comes with the figures, and I think you can even order it without the figures, but hey, it's much cooler when it comes with a figure, right? Then I got this one, the off-road diorama. Yeah, I put the rock inside. This one doesn't come with figures, and it also doesn't come with a car, only the diorama. This one is still available in the Moreart store on AliExpress. And then I've got this cool one, because you think, hey, Moreart, Chinese brand, it is only making Chinese looking dioramas. They also have this World War II diorama. It's a little bit difficult to see because of the reflection. This one comes with the wheelie and the trailer behind it, and with the figures and all the accessories. Really cool diorama, definitely a must-have in my opinion. Yes, these are also... Wait a minute, put this one back. Put this one back right here. Yes, these are also Moreart dioramas. And soon they will come with another diorama that you can put on top. And then it becomes a building. How cool is that? More art dioramas. Yeah, right here. This is a Moreart diorama. This is a Moreart diorama. This is a Moreart diorama. This one is still available. This one is pretty hard to get. I think this one is also still available. Doesn't come with the Twin Pine Mall diorama. That one I put up myself. This is also a Moreart diorama right here. Also available. This McDonald's diorama, so don't know if this one is still available. Same for this one, Japanese Street and the Starbucks. Also hard to get. Got another one right here. Yeah, this is actually the first one I bought from Moreart. And then my love for Moreart started. This is the Initial D diorama. I put the FedEx car in myself and the figure, but it actually comes with this car right here. And this car comes with a license plate, back and front, metal base, silver exhaust, rubber tires, very good details. This diorama, by the way, is from Mini Station, which is also a part of Moreart. Yeah, here you see the figures that came with it. And because the car was so good, I ordered another one. And yes, this looks exactly like the one over there. But this is 3D. Yeah. Air conditioning, I put it on myself. Same for the tree. And these two figures and the dog. And all the other figures. So, yeah, pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And I will see you soon. Have a very nice day. Bye.